Now, on this magnetic pattern here, the black lines represent where the flux would accumulate and where the flux does not accumulate. Okay? Nature abhors a vacuum. So therefore, the heavier material goes to the least resistance because the pressure is in between in these blank spots. That's where the pressure is. So that would give us waves this way. Up, null, anti-null, null, null. The black lines are where the null points are. The pressure is in the blank spot. Okay? Not what you've been taught. We've been lied to.